It was noon at the restaurant where Mike eats lunch every day. He had just finished his meal and asked the waiter for the check. But when it was time to pay, he got a big surprise.
Good afternoon. Your total is $38.80.
Okay, I'll pay with my credit card.
Sure, here's the machine. You can swipe your card, please.
Oh no, I left my wallet at work, and I went out without my phone. What am I gonna do now?
Mr. Mike, don't worry. We've got a big stack of dishes waiting for you in the back.
Wait, what? Me? Wash the dishes here?
Relax, Mr. Mike. I'm just kidding. You come here every day. I know you didn't mean any harm.
Yeah, sorry for overreacting to your joke. I've just never been in this situation before. Can I pay tomorrow?
No way. Absolutely not.
Then hold on. I'll run and get my wallet right now.
Calm down, Mr. Mike. No need to pay today. This one's on the house.
Oh, wow. Seriously? Thank you so much. From now on, you don't just have a customer. You've got a fan.
As he left the restaurant, Mike couldn't believe what had just happened. And he thought to himself,
From now on, I better always carry my wallet. Or next time, that dishwashing story might become real.
Tell us in the comments what you thought of the story. Have you ever forgotten your wallet? Now, let's train your brain using a fast, practical, and focused way. Practice is the key to unlocking your mental fluency. Start like this. Listen to a story with useful everyday vocabulary. Practice with dialogues. Repeat the dialogues in front of a mirror. Build a routine to turn 20 minutes a day into real fluency. Now, when you see you, it's your turn to speak. Record your voice and learn from your mistakes. Let's practice.
Hi, can I get the bill, please? Hi, can I get the bill, please?
Of course, just a moment. Of course, just a moment.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here you go. Your total is $38.80. Here you go. Your total is $38.80.
All right, I'll pay by credit card. All right, I'll pay by credit card.
Sure, here's the card machine. Sure, here's the card machine.
I think I left my wallet at the office. I think I left my wallet at the office.
Oh, and your phone? Oh, and your phone?
I forgot that too. This is embarrassing. I forgot that too. This is embarrassing.
Don't worry, it happens. Don't worry, it happens.
What should I do now? What should I do now? Can I come back and pay tomorrow? Can I come back and pay tomorrow?
I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that.
Please, I promise I'll pay first thing. Please, I promise I'll pay first thing.
Okay, okay. But don't forget. Okay, okay. But don't forget.
I won't. I live very close. I won't. I live very close.
That helps. That helps.
Or I can run to my office right now and come back. Or I can run to my office right now and come back.
That's an option, Jew. That's an option, Jew.
Can you hold my table for 20 minutes? Can you hold my table for 20 minutes?
No problem. No problem. Today's meal is on the house. Today's meal is on the house.
Really? That's so generous. Really? That's so generous.
You're a regular. We appreciate that. You're a regular. We appreciate that.
I'll never forget my wallet again. I'll never forget my wallet again.
Let's hope not. Let's hope not.
Thank you again. You've saved my day. Thank you again. You've saved my day.
You're welcome. Have a great afternoon. You're welcome. Have a great afternoon.
Congratulations! You've completed the first step to speaking better. Now, I've prepared 2 lists for you, one with content to practice your listening with challenges, and another for you to practice your speaking. The links are in the first pinned comment.